Welcome to IRA Basics. An IRA, or individual retirement account, is one of the most powerful tools for building your retirement savings. Understanding how IRAs work and how they differ from employer-sponsored plans is essential for making informed decisions about your financial future. Today, you'll learn about the fundamentals of IRAs, the different types available, and how they can complement your overall retirement strategy. An IRA is a tax-advantaged individual retirement account that you open and manage independently, separate from your employer. Unlike a 401k or 403b that's tied to your job, an IRA is completely under your control. You choose where to open it, whether that's with a bank, brokerage firm, or robo-advisor. You decide how much to contribute within the annual limits, and you select your own investments. This independence gives you flexibility and portability that employer plans simply cannot match. There are two primary types of IRAs, and they differ in how they're taxed. A traditional IRA offers a tax deduction now, meaning you can reduce your taxable income in the year you contribute. However, you'll pay taxes on withdrawals in retirement. A Roth IRA works the opposite way. You pay taxes on your contributions now, using after-tax dollars, but your withdrawals in retirement are completely tax-free. Choosing between them depends on your current tax situation and your expected tax bracket in retirement. For most people, the annual contribution limit to an IRA is $7,000. This is the maximum you can contribute across all your traditional and Roth IRAs combined in a single year. If you're age 50 or older, you're eligible for an additional catch-up contribution of $1,000, bringing your total limit to $8,000. These limits are set by the IRS and typically increase over time with inflation. It's important to note these limits are much lower than employer-sponsored plans like 401k accounts. IRAs offer several key advantages that make them attractive for retirement savers. First, you can open an IRA with banks, brokerage firms, or robo-advisors, giving you freedom to choose a provider that matches your needs and preferences. Second, you have complete control over your investment choices. Unlike some employer plans with limited options, you can typically invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and more. Third, IRAs are portable. If you change jobs or careers, your IRA stays with you. You never have to worry about rolling it over or losing track of old accounts. IRAs and employer-sponsored retirement plans serve different but complementary purposes. An IRA gives you individual control and portability. You manage it yourself, choose your own investments, and it follows you throughout your career regardless of job changes. Employer-sponsored plans like 401k or 403b accounts, on the other hand, are tied to your job. These plans often come with valuable benefits like employer matching contributions, where your company adds money to your account based on what you contribute. Many financial advisors recommend contributing to both types of accounts if possible to maximize your retirement savings. Understanding the key differences between IRAs and employer plans helps you make strategic decisions. IRAs have lower contribution limits compared to 401k plans, which currently allow contributions of over $20,000 per year. Employer plans often offer company matching, which is essentially free money added to your retirement savings. However, IRAs typically provide more investment choices and flexibility. Employer plans may limit you to a select menu of funds chosen by your company, while IRAs usually let you invest in thousands of different options across the entire market. An IRA is valuable whether you have access to an employer plan or not. If you have a 401k at work, an IRA lets you supplement those savings and diversify your retirement strategy. If you're self-employed, a freelancer, or work for a company without retirement benefits, an IRA provides a structured way to save for retirement on your own. The tax advantages, whether immediate deductions or tax-free growth, help your money compound faster than it would in a regular taxable account. Starting early and contributing consistently can make a significant difference in your retirement security.
If you like this video, Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.